We would like to acknowledge the site selection, the organizing team, and the developer, first of all. And about the concept, while we studying about Mongolia and the culture and the site location and all that, what we found is, in the Google map, first thing what you see is lot of circles. We are curious to know what is this circle. Then we found out that is yurt, and that's the same thing which you fly to Mongolia as an international tourist. That's what you're gonna see first from the flight. So that circle concept, we understood how it is close to the heart of people in Mongolia, and we interpreted that circle in our concept as well. So coming to the master plan we have used straight simple lines for the traffic. Very perfectly we have designed the parking and the traffic and the connection, so that a a fighting vehicle also easily they can reach to any point, and people will not get confused. Any international tourist or any local tourist who comes there for an experience of international cultural center, they will not get lost anywhere. So it is very important to a person who don't have any idea about the project also, they will not get lost in the entire master plan. So that was very important thing. And then while you are traveling from airport to Ulaanbaatar, you will be seeing this cultural center on your right side. First thing what you notice is the water body and the Who rock band multi-purpose hall as well. The interesting shape of it. So you get curiosity, what is there, something is happening there, and you will be seeing around the lake 10 circles, which is actually for 10 countries, representing 10 countries. And they can, if an 10 countries all together conducting a program there, the 10 countries can exhibit their culture or their styles or whatever the flags in that particular area which is dedicated for them. And then on the next line you will be seeing street trade. So there are 80 shops which we are given the space around that big wide street for the local Mongolian business trade, the street trade people to have some business. And we believe that this entire project can bring a good economy to the country, Mongolia, and this can be the one of the best tourist destination, and any country can conduct programs and conduct events, cultural events in that place, because they are also, the 10 countries also getting a nice dedicated place for them, and even the local Mongolian culture, the mountains, everything they can experience from the center. And there is one more thing is, the business tower. We call it as Chinggis Khan business tower, where the countries which they are coming from outside, they can have a permanent office or temporary office set up, and all the business, anything related to business from any country or startups or any other offices requirements, all that can be done. You have the space there in the business tower. That is one of the another unique thing in the entire project. And the second thing is the multi-purpose hall. The Who Rock Band multi-purpose hall is very interesting by the design, and it always take people's attraction. And coming to the museum which is actually the concept evolved from that the Mongolian mountains. You get a small experience of the mountain, and you're going inside to the caves. That kind of feeling you will get. That's and what is important for a cultural center? People should come from different countries, even local people should come there. For that, we have to have a master plan which supports, which invites people, bring more crowd inside. So that entire the park will be successful. So to bring the crowd and bring the international guests, the countries, different countries, to conduct an event there and supporting the economy. So for that, actually, that was there behind in our head while designing the project. That is our focus. For that, the Chinggis Khan Business Tower, the cultural, the multipurpose hall, and the museum, and the entire park, and the solar park especially. We are providing solar park and windmills to get energy, creating energy there itself, and we can use it there. So the first and the important thing was bringing the crowd, not only from Ulaanbaatar or from Mongolia, the international guests as well, the different countries as well. They should come. They should feel conduct some events there, and leaving with some good businesses and good experience of the culture of Mongolia. That's our focus. Thank you.